Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I hope you guys are doing good. So today I have a DIY I did on my vanity, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I know a lot of people have the IKEA vanity, and the tables tend to get really dirty, and um, I want this vanity to last me forever because it was pretty expensive. So what I did, I used Dollar Tree products, and it was only less than $5 or $5. I got three of the marble paper, which I forgot what it's called because I already threw out the paper, and then two of the clear papers. So yeah, the only thing I recommend is you doing it with or having help, because I kind of had a hard time doing it like smoothly. It was kind of it's kind of bubbly still, like in some places kind of wrinkly, because I didn't have the help of someone. But it works perfectly. It protects your vanity, and yeah, I think it's gonna work great, and it feels really good actually. So yeah, that's everything. If you just want to keep on watching how I do this, go ahead. And that's gonna be everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. I hope you guys enjoy it, and subscribe if you haven't. And yeah.